So now, what is the idea of this poem? We have to first understand in a different manner. This is a modern poem, okay, full of symbols. Symbols are there. The irony of our life is we are something different. We are something different from our inside, and we look different from outside. What is the idea? Right now, you know that I am trying to tell you, you are looking at me, you are looking at my language, some of you are very happy with me, some of you are very impressed with me, and some of you must be afraid of me wanting to leave this Hindi class. But this all, whatever is on my face is my projection. I am projecting myself. There may be two Rakesh, one Rakesh deep somewhere inside who want to be something else. There is another Rakesh who is a teacher, your professor, who has to do a few things, who has to come to the college, or who has to teach, who has to earn some money, who has to take care of his daughter, who has to take care of his wife, who has to maintain his social relations, who has to do each and everything which is demanded by a common man. Right. Inside there is somebody different Rakesh, who want to run away, who want to do his things, who want to go to the sky, who want to go to the horizon, who want to do many things which a common Indian middle class person can never imagine to do, can never imagine to do, can't do. So there begins a push-pull. दो खंबे, there are two posts. दोनों खंभों के बीच में एक रस्सी परंजान, कयर, वन कयर इज टाइड अप. मैं उस रस्सी पर खड़ा हूं. रस्सी पर एक तीखी रोशनी, तीखी मीन्स शार्प लाइट, फोकस लाइट. लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं. पीपल आर वॉचिंग मी. People are watching me. People are not watching the post. People are not watching the rope, that is kayar. People are not even looking at the light. People are only looking at me. Everybody is looking at me. And what I am doing? I am going from this post to other post, from the other post to this post, again from this post to the other post. And what people think? I am dancing. लोग समझते हैं कि मैं नाच रहा हूं, मगर मैं नाचता नहीं हूं. कवि कहते हैं, अगेन सेड, आई एम नॉट डांसिंग एट ऑल. What I am trying to do, that I am running from one post to the other post, and then from the other post to this post, only to somehow make the grip of the kayar a bit loose, कि मुझे छुट्टी मिल जाए, so that I could get rid of this, so that I could be free of this day to day life जो हमारा दैनिक जीवन है, यानी परनिल्य. रावले, आई हैव टू गेट अप, आई हैव टू मेंटेन ए सर्टेन डिसेंसी, आई हैव टू मेंटेन माय ड्रेस एंड एवरीथिंग इन ए राइट मैनर, आई हैव टू कम, आई हैव टू से गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीबडी. എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമില്ല, എനിക്ക് വേണ്ട, എനിക്ക് വയ്യ. പക്ഷേ this is the tragedy of a Indian middle class person who is living, who is forced to live in this particular manner, who is forced to live with the conditions imposed on him from the society. आपको यही करना है, आप वैसा नहीं कर सकते. आप यहाँ नहीं जा सकते, आप यहाँ बैठ नहीं सकते. आपके लिए कुछ नियम हैं, कुछ रूल्स हैं, आपको उन्हें फॉलो करना है. Again says that he is running only to somehow get rid of it. लेकिन कुछ नहीं होता, तनाव वैसे ही बना रहता है. द टेंशन रिमेन्स लाइक दैट. और कविता में एक लाइन आएगी, आई हैव गिवन एम्फेसिस आल्सो, सब कुछ वैसा ही बना रहता है. एवरीथिंग रिमेन्स लाइक दैट. नो चेंज कम्स, नो पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ चेंज. and in this tragedy we have to live continuously. This is a little crux of the poem. It is a good poem, and God bless if one or two of among you, if you can go for more Hindi, or you have to read this poet again and again. अभी इसमें बाद में हम कुछ और हिंदी में बातें करेंगे. मैं आपको कुछ नोट्स दूंगा एंड एज ए प्रॉमिस्ड कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर दूंगा. पिनिट मात्रमल्ल, देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी फॉर्मेलिटी बिटवीन अस. If you have got any confusion, any problem to understand എൻ്റെ accent, എൻ്റെ ഒരു ഹിന്ദി accent അല്ലേ, please feel free to message me, tell me that whether you understood or not. If you like it, please send me that you liked it. If you dislike it, please tell me that nakishta illa. Be frank with your good old Kalia sir. Okay, thank you very